Ek wil graag vandag vir ons 'n gebed lees van die Koramila gemeenskap in Ierland. Mag hulle gebed ook woorde wees wat in elkeen van ons lewe. En mag ons elke dag die lewe met allermooi en allersleg ook as 'n geskenk van God ontvang. God of the strength that lifts us each morning, God of the weight that drops us down in our beds, this constant fight against gravity, this struggle to push up and away, is a marker of life. It is our daily battle of no and yes. No, we will not lie still. And yes, we will live and move and have our being. We give thanks for the rest that preserves our life for tomorrow, so that as we rise from our night slumber, we begin again and gain a victory in each waking determined moment and see a glimpse, if only faintly, of an endless rising dawn.